Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. So today I'll be trying out a new style using attachment color 29. I'll be doing Pixie braids and a little fringe in front. So right now, as you can see, I want to cut the attachment. I'm going to do this into 5 pieces. 5 equal parts. Afterwards, making sure it's equal. Afterwards, I'll draw it out just to make sure the ends is very fine. Draw it, draw it, draw it. Stretch it out. Then the real work begins. I'm going to be sharing it into different pieces, which I'm going to attach on the wig cap using my crochet needle, my crochet pin, like so. Put the pin through the loop, attach the extension, bring it out, and sort of tie it, make it firm. Afterwards, I begin braiding the attachment. Braid, 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 braid. Then you can see the progress. You have to be patient, guys. This is a lot of work, especially if you just started this skill. As you can see how I did the attachment for the fringe, because I'm going to be doing fringe. And here guys, this is the final look. You, after trimming, you're soaking it in the water. You have to use fire on the edges, trimming, and this is the final look. Thank you for watching. Make sure to drop a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.